Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate CVS OTC Benefits Card, online guide step by step clearly. To activate your CVS OTC Benefits Card online, start by visiting the official CVS website. Locate the OTC Benefits section on the homepage. Click on the link that directs you to OTC card services. You may need to log into your account. If you don't have an account, look for the option to create one. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information. Once logged in, find the option to activate your OTC Benefits Card. Enter the card number and any required details. Confirm that all information is correct before proceeding. Review the terms and conditions associated with the activation. Accept the terms if you agree to them. Click on the activation button to complete the process. You should receive a confirmation that your card is now activated. If you encounter any issues, check the FAQs or contact customer support. Keep your card in a safe place for future use. Remember that your benefits may have specific guidelines for usage. You're now ready to start using your OTC Benefits Card for eligible purchases. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.